Hello guys, today I'm gonna play Fish on Higher Official and also credits to Mac Daddy Wislow. Credits to Mac Daddy Wislow. What's all these witty?
His country. Surprisingly, it came with me. And that story is just the start. So when we get back to work, and we'll be feasting in no time. One of the hunters bears in mind. My admiral this means he has strength. I'll find out what it is, and we can use it as a stranger and the hunters from there. I'm talking
Just need a few more dollars until I can get the other.
So close to seeing.
So we send the demon bird in?
Don't worry. I'm just so happy. You close with the old movie next week. You'll see. It's a lot more serious than I thought. The Thunder Boys have gone completely viral after that Ryan show. They even have their own fandom. Tommy, control my shoulders.
Oh.
There he is in what they said. I didn't hear you with 20 people on this. Because you didn't look around. It's just social media.
Why can't I play my picture?
This is a battle for hearts and minds. A battle for the soul. And what's the biggest battlefield of them all?
So can you sell them? Oh yeah. But why won't they let it? Okay, bye guys. That'll be it for today. Credits to Mac Daddy Radio.